Hello friends, welcome to learn Coreldraw tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create curve. Okay, we want to create like this curves. Before going to learn how to create a whole drawing, let us create first curve. Before going to create a whole drawing, let us first practicing how to make a curve to a line. Okay, for that purpose, we have to use guideline. You can directly take guideline, and if you want to create curve of same size, because these are these are single line and then single line is convert to curve. Then let us see how to do it. And if you want to create a curve of same size, then you have to do one thing. Here our page is start from 0, but vertically it is not start from 0. Then here you have to use 0 log. Now it is vertically also start from 0 here, because while creating this curve, our page should be in proper dimension. Therefore, if your page not start from 0, then use 0 log. Okay, after that let us keep guidelines on 1 inch, 1, 2, then there is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, as well as drag the vertical guidelines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertically dimension. Okay, now our working area is only this one. Therefore, click on zoom and let us zoom this area. This is our working area. Okay, now let us create curve. For that purpose, here we use Bezier tool. Click on Bezier and don't forget to set snap to guideline. Okay, here also you have setting of snapping. Always keep snap to guideline while using guideline. Okay, now let us create single line. Click on intersection point and then end on other intersection point and immediately click on pick tool. Now let us increase the weight of this line, and how to change this line to a curve, because if you want to uh, change this line, if you want to edit this line, then it will by default edit in a only straight line way. Then how to convert it to a curve? For that purpose, first click the whole line. After that, click on shape tool and select the line like this. Your whole line always under whole selection of shape tool. Then on property bar there are some options are open. This option is convert to curve. You can also use here right click to curve. Now your line is convert to curve. Then how to identify it? If you keep this shape tool near the line, then it will show like this symbol, curve symbol. And if you drag it, then this line is converted to curve. Now let us click on node and arrange this arrow properly at 1 dimension. Okay, now here our curve is perfect. Then now how to create multiple curves? For that purpose, simply go to Bezier, click on first intersection point and last intersection point. After that, immediately click on pick tool, then increase the width, use shape tool, and let us first zoom this line, use shape tool, and at the right this insertion point, click double click. Yeah, it means what? It will you have to add node right here. Click here for adding nodes. Okay, after that again do the same way. Click the line by pick tool, click the shape tool and select the whole line with the help of shape tool, and again right click here or either click on property bar, convert to curve. Then click anywhere in the page first. After that, you can make this line as a curve. Again, keep this arrow properly or proper curve size. Okay, okay. You can also drag it here. You can also drag it here. Keep it at properly intersection point. Then only suppose we again use this line, and this is also curve. But if you don't want if you don't want this line as a curve, then click anywhere on this line and go to again property bar, or you can also right click here and use straight line. Now it becomes straight line. Okay, for better practicing of this, you have to first play with this straight line and how to make straight line to a curve. With the help of pen tool, you can also make like this. Suppose we go again in Bezier pen. Okay, the first point is here. The second point, while clicking second point here, drag your mouse and click on curve. Okay, and if you want to break this uh, pen tool here, then click on escape or press escape key. Now with the help of shape tool, you can make this line as curve. Okay, but it is quite difficult with the help of pen tool. You have to keep practicing pen tool, but it is very easy with the help of Bezier tool. Again, let us see how to create. This is one line, suppose this is second line, and this second line we want in curve, then drag cursor here. Now I click here. After that I want this straight line, then click here and press escape key. Okay, now with the help of shape tool, you can make this line. But what happen here, whenever we want to curve this line, then both side it will change the shape. Then for that purpose you have to use one setting. That setting is cups node. It will break the node. Okay, click on cups node. Now it will only work at either side. If you want if you do something wrong, then click on the undo. Okay, here also you can use cups node, or here you can also use. Now your node is free. Okay, go to here. Now here also there is no property moment, then you can use again cups node. Now this node is free. Like this, with the help of pen tool you can make a curve, but it is quite difficult as compared to Bezier. Then I would like to request you first keep practicing with the help of Bezier, and then you can use a pen tool. Okay, and you have to create like these patterns for best practicing. Okay, it is very simple, but don't keep this practice lightly, because whenever you anywhere you want to curve, then you have to use this technique. Therefore, before going to create a any small object of curve, you have to first practicing this, how to make a simple line to a curve. Okay, okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue next lecture.